Alright, I'm filming, so I can't help you right now. Are you good? No, I can't help you right now. Can you... I know it fell off, but that's what its job is. It's not supposed to stick to it, otherwise it would be really hard to get everybody's trash.
And then you're gonna take that off.
I don't have a knife or scissors, so I can't take that off right now, but I can take it off later, okay? Can you go play without me for a little bit? Alright. We almost were gonna make it home for a second. Hi, it's Sarah Quick. Thank you for tuning in this week. We are outside. Clark is pushing his new Merry Christmas lawn mow around, and I wanted to tell you all about our off-roading trip to Switzer Lake. When CJ told me that my usual Monday morning routine was going to be interrupted. You want to jump? You look at the camera and say hi. Okay, so CJ told me my usual morning routine was going to be interrupted by off-roading. I was very excited about it. Normally on Mondays, I go to a coffee shop by myself. It's fabulous. I get myself normally a decaf coffee because I'm already like this first thing in the morning. And then I pull out my computer or my iPad or my journal, whatever I bring with me, and I plan out the entire week. I plan out preschool for Clark, all of our meals, all of the things we have to do, and I just basically make it so I am not crazy for the entire week. But I was gonna risk a week of crazy, which I'm just coming off of, for off-roading. Monday morning rolled around. The Davises got here around 10 o'clock. It was freaking awesome. Becky had bad coffee, so I made her a new coffee. She said it was awesome. I don't know if that's true, but she said it was awesome. Made me feel good. We loaded up. We headed out. We are about to take off to go on a one-day trip, off-roading trip. We got the Davises with us. We're gonna be in the red Jeep today, which we almost never do. Very exciting.
The
back door lock? Very back door?
Yes, okay. The one to the deck? Yeah, I did that myself, both locks. Where are we going, Clark? Yeah, we are. It was like a 2-hour drive. It was a long drive. We are grabbing some gas and we are about to hit the trail. It is 12:53 and we are hungry, so I think we're gonna break into the food too. And then we hit the trails and it was so freaking pretty. Switzer Lake is gorgeous. It's freaking gorgeous. We aired down as soon as we got there. All the kids got out of the car and ran around. He's much happier now. Okay, I'm gonna go check on your corn dog. You okay?
Yeah.
Oh, it's hot. Oh, frick, it's hot. Okay, it's done, but it's really hot, bud. Can you fix it?
Mama fix it.
All right, just put it right here and run the truck up to it like it's gonna empty the trash. Just put it right up. Pull it up. Pull it up. Beep 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 beep. Oh my gosh, you fixed it yourself. Look at you, big boy.
Did it break?
Yeah, I broke my whole entire phone, bud.
Did you?
Ow. Yep. All right, Clark is inside eating his corn dog, and I'm gonna go outside and try to finish this video. We have aired down and we're checking out Switzer Lake. I'm starving, so I grabbed a snack and everyone else ran ahead. Look how pretty it is. It's so blue. We are going down by the lake. Road is pretty smooth. Oh my gosh, that lake is just the prettiest color. That was worth it.
Yeah, almost a campsite right here.
Just a rebel that's on the move. There ain't no stopping me, so
That is
Yep.
all ice.
Someone went down there.
You are? We're all buckled. This is why I love it. It's a little terrifying sometimes. There was a cliff on one side and all of the ruts on the road were full of ice, and the red Jeep is a stick shift, and I was just sure that we were gonna slide off the road. I just realized that it is my first time off-roading in the red Jeep, and it is much scarier than the blue Jeep. It's a lot of shifting, and it's just more work. Mine's a Rubicon, and it's an automatic, and this is a stick shift.
Longer wheelbase.
Longer wheel. It's just, we call it the mom Jeep. It's like literally Clark will take a nap during the entire off-roading trip and wake up and be like, I thought we were going off-roading. We made it to the top. It is seriously so freaking pretty. It is worth the drive. I was more nervous today than I've ever been off-roading before. Now we have to decide, do we take the easy way home or do we do the trail that we normally do up here but in reverse? Obviously we decided to go down the harder trail because that's just how CJ and Nathan are, and I love them both for it.
Oh no, that's okay. I'll follow.
We're leaving the knob and we're gonna go the hard way, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Since we had done the trail the opposite way before, we knew that there were a couple of sticky situations that were coming up. The Tacoma had to winch itself up one time, and we didn't know what that situation was gonna be like going downhill. There you go, right on the next rock. All right, you're about to come down. Here you go in the back. Nicely done. Very nicely done. It wasn't long before I was really worried about it getting dark. The sun was setting. It was getting dark really fast. And the last thing you want is to have a catastrophic accident on the trail and it start getting dark.
Whoa. I wonder what did that.
TJ and Nathan were on the radios about nautical twilight and my heart was beating. And now, because we had chose the harder path, we were now going down the more popular side of the mountain. And we got stuck behind a caravan of Jeeps that were having problems. No, it's all good.
That's why we're here.
So we obviously got stuck. We had to wait a long time. The sun was setting. Waiting was not in the plan, but that's just what we had to do. So we did it.
Hey, Dada. Hey, I can see your hair.
Better splash the heck out of it. Just kidding. You ready, Clark? Yep. Top down. Look at those ice chunks.
Oh, this feels pretty deep. Oh, it feels really deep right there. Oh yeah, that's a deep hole.
All right, the sun is gonna set soon. We still have a long ways to go. And we will probably be off-roading in the dark, and hopefully nothing bad happens because that would suck. Easier going down than it is going up. All right, it's still getting dark really quick. but we have reached the obstacle that everyone was getting stuck on the last time we were here. Let's go check it out.
Your right side's up there, your left side's probably rubber in here. It's not that high.
By the time you get here where it's less, that left wheel will be here.
Right.
And then boom.
So what I'm saying is right there, I think
probably here.
Yeah, you're clear there with your left
It
side.
has to be on here. I don't want to slip off there.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we want to be here.
Okay.
If we're here, this will push us into the wall.
Okay.
So I want to
Be over. Okay.
here. Front tire's going to hit perfect.
Okay.
So we're going to be going this way.
Okay. I don't know if I'm going to be able to video this because first priority is safety. Yep, come back this way. You're good. You're good. Yep. Now you got to come back this way. Yep. Yep. Back that way more.
Back up.
Yeah, that would be great. Put your wheel that way. You're good. You're good. Here you come. Here you come. It's gonna jump. There you go. You're good. You're golden. You're good. Yep, you're good. I know it's scary, but you're good. Yep. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Good. Slow, slow. You're good. You're good. Just go slow. Perfect. You're done. That was it, babe. Got one little drop. There you go. Perfect. That was awesome. You did good. What was the best part about off-roading?
That's big fun.
Show it off like it's new shoes. I got something you can't explain.
Definitely some big rocks coming up.
Physical kind of. There's something magic inside my veins. No matter what, I'ma do my
It's
thing.
also beautiful.
Can you feel it?
It smells your tires burning. Oh, babe. What the? Nathan turned around. Oh my god. I smell that now. I can't believe you're still having this much fun when the sun is going down. It's like a parallel universe. Beat him, beat him, beat him. They're gonna win, they're gonna win. Oh no, oh no. Go, 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 go. It is seriously so fast. And I still feel like we've got a long way to go. So you're saying we have 6 miles left before we get back to the road?
Well, to that part, the blueberry trail.
5:12. I don't even think I'm going to be able to film much longer because all you're going to see is grass. We ended up getting through the entire trail. We aired up after dark.
That is a really cool moon.
We ended up putting the cars facing each other with the headlights on so that we have light. We made it out. Everything was fine. And then we were all hungry, so we went to Chick-fil-A. We just had dinner at Chick-fil-A. Oh my gosh, that was so fun. That was a really great, long, exhausting day. They are headed north, we are headed south. And you have any final words?
Yeah, it was a good day. And we'll have to do it again soon.
What about you, Clark? Any final words? Pithy. It's time for bed. Go upstairs and change your clothes. Go, 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 go. Clark ended up falling asleep on the way home, and honestly, I almost did too. I don't know if I'm even allowed to say this, but I really hope the Davises move here permanently because selfishly, I love them.
It was like this, but I'm okay.
You wanna read? Standing on the riverbank, there were 2 Dilophosaurus. We all lived happily ever after. Amen. I love our Jeep life.